Hello everyone, so today I'll be featuring the product from Hello Glow, and this is the Fit to Glow Red Iced Tea. This is the newest drink and alternative snack replacement to achieve that healthy glow inside and out. Active ingredients are chia seeds, L-carnitine, and psyllium fiber, which helps promote weight loss, helps lower blood sugar levels, and also helps relieve constipation. For the amount of 199 pesos, you will get 10 sachets in the box, and you can buy this through Lazada, Shopee, Everbilena direct sales, and also in Watsons. This drink is a perfect source of high fiber, appetite suppressant, and one of the highest source of plant-based omega acid, improves metabolism, burns fat, and helps the body convert fat into energy. Also, it helps manage cholesterol levels and enhances digestive health for better metabolism. So if you want to glow inside and out, purchase Fit to Glow Red Iced Tea.